If you are into hair business just to make small money, I bet you this video is not for you. You can actually leave. But if you're ready to go all out for your customers and also for your revenue, I mean, make your money like others are doing, this video is for you. Get in here. And I'm going to hold your hands tight while I say this, that you need more leverage to make more money in any business, and hair business is inclusive. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kristyanah and I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. On this channel, we do basically everything relating to business and hair business specifically. Like most times, that's what we do. And if you're interested in this, you want to know about hair business, you want to start your business, you're trying to grow your business, you're trying to scale your business, this channel is for you. This community is for you. Please like this video, share, subscribe. And let's get straight into the video for today. Last year, I was in Vietnam, and I took a significant number of people alongside with me virtually to source high quality strands from the best factory in Vietnam. It was a very eye-opening and insightful event for most subscribers on this channel, as they were able to lay their hands on a quality strands. I mean, exquisite factory contacts, and most of them are actually happy with what they got, to the extent that a certain number of them had to return to me to get my Philippine contact, to get my Cambodia contact, to get my Indonesian contact, and also Indian contact. But this year, breaking news, we're not only doing Vietnam, we're touring the whole of Philippine factories, Cambodia, Indonesia, and also Vietnam. So we are touring 4 countries in Asia that supply the best hair strands. I would like you to sit back while I tell you the pros of this particular trip, how this trip is going to be of advantage to your business and take it up a notch. And this time, you can either follow me virtually or physically on this trip. One of the advantages of this particular trip is that it is going to take your unique selling point for your business up to the roof. I mean, you're going to have access to the best hair factory in Philippines, the best hair factory in Cambodia, the best hair factories in Indonesia, and also in Vietnam. It's going to change the whole idea of everyone selling Vietnamese raw hair. You're going to be selling something different because people want to hear a different thing entirely. I know most of you are familiar with vendors who are selling hairs for $11,000, selling hair for $6,000. I can bet you that they're not saying the exact thing you are saying. They're not telling you that they are selling Vietnamese raw hair or they are selling Vietnamese virgin hair. They are saying something different entirely, and they are getting their customers. If you want to make more money in this business, you need more leverage. You need to have an edge over your competition. You need to say something different. You need to do things a bit differently. And this is what this trip is going to do to your business, as when everybody is saying they're selling just Vietnamese, you are there selling Philippine, selling the best Indonesian hair, selling the best Cambodian hair. I mean, everyone is selling Vietnamese hair already. Why not set yourself apart for greater things, for clients who want exclusive and something that is not common? Let's say that you and other person are selling the same quality of hair. What to actually make it stand out, it's not the hair again, it's another thing, which is the leverage you have over that particular vendor, over that particular competition. It can be a good styling skill, it can be a good marketing skill, it can be a very good customer service they are offering people, it can be anything. So you have to figure out what you can use to out leverage your competition. Okay, the more leverage you have, the more money you make. And if you follow me on this trip virtually, I can tell you that your strands are going to be top notch. It will be one in town. Like, people will see your strand and be like, wow, this vendor is selling a very high quality strand. Another advantage to this trip is that if you're following me physically, you're not going to be in these countries roaming about, checking out 1001 irrelevant factories, because I know where to take you to. I know the ones that sell good hairs that I've tried even prior to this trip. And if you're following me virtually, I have something for you other than you seeing factories and knowing how to ship to your various countries. I mean, there is something important that I can actually do for you, specifically for your business, but I'll not be spilling that in this video. You have to reach out to me via email or my Instagram handle, which will be linked down in the description box of this video. And also in this trip, you're going to be meeting with the managers, you're going to be meeting with the factory staff via Zoom or any means that is very convenient for you and the appropriate time that works for you. I'm going there to source for the best strands for your business. So I'm going to take on few people. Last year, I almost ran mad trying to talk with different people operating on different time zones and all that. So this particular trip is exclusive and very limited. So you have to register on time to secure your spot. Finally, I'm going to leave you with this fact that if you want to grow your business, if you want to scale your business, you have to be willing to part with your money. You cannot hold on to your money and be looking for growth. Okay? So last year, I spent about $1,100 to get my Vietnamese visa. Vietnamese visa at the time was quite pricey. It wasn't something you can get easily like now. So I spent 1,100 and I'm not regretting it at all. If you are in any business and you want to scale up your business, you have to be willing to part with your money. You have to be willing to take on new skill, learn something new that can actually be an advantage to your business. For instance, if you want to increase the rent of an old building, you have to renovate it first and make it modern before you increase the price. And what this means to your hair business is that if you want to set new prices, you want to start selling at high prices, you have to first source for quality strands, increase your styling game, like take it up a notch. The price that people are selling regular bob is not the same price they are selling layered bob. We all know someone in this industry in Nigeria, in the hair business, that was actually selling bad quality hairs, selling cheap hairs, and all of a sudden he traveled to Vietnam, traveled to Cambodia, and started selling hairs for $3,000, $35, and all that. So you have to be willing to part with your money. You have to be willing to take on new skill that can actually add value, to your enterprise, to your business. Enterprise is a game of value. Okay, and with that being said, we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoy it, please do also like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And do not forget that registration for this virtual tour is going on right now. You can reach out to me on Instagram at Kristyanah or via my email that will be linked down in the description box of this video. And I will see you guys in my next one.
Evening, no. See, this Vietnam that you went to, it's God that will bless you for all of us. So I just got my hair, like I'm still even unboxing. I can tell you for a fact, the qualities of this hair is mad. Like the texture of the virgin hair is actually more like the texture of the single donor I used to get from. It's so nice, I swear. I can't even, like, I couldn't wait to finish what I'm doing. I just said, no, let me send you this voice. I'm so happy because I've been scared. This is my first time of buying virgin hair, so I don't even know what to expect. But because of price, I swear these qualities are mad.